Okay, we're beginning this demonstration with a large graduated cylinder with water and ice in there. To that, I'm going to add some universal indicator. This indicator shows changes in pH. Red is pH 4, orange is pH 5, yellow is pH 6, green is pH 7, a green-blue is pH 8, pH 9 is a darker blue, and purple is pH 10. We can see that the water is around a pH 7, which we would expect. To that, I'm going to add some Milk of Magnesia. I'll let that mix up here. Milk of Magnesia has a compound in it called magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2, and that's the OH that's a functional group. And we can see that right now it's a bluish green. We're looking at about a pH 9 at this point in time. This demonstration is a good example of the buffering capacity of molecules. We're going to add some hydrochloric acid to this, and that's HCl. As I pour that in there, you can see the color change go to red, which indicates pH 4. And we can see it slowly changes back to orange, yellow, green, back to blue. We'll add some more. Again, when this is added, the free hydrogen ions cause the pH to drop. We see a color change that indicates a pH drop all the way down to 4. And then we see as those hydrogen ions are bonded to the hydroxide ions in the solution that they no longer can affect the pH, and the pH rebounds until it returns to the original. As long as there's excess hydroxide ions, it will continue to buffer against changes in pH. Of course, some point in time we'll run out of excess hydroxide ions and it will no longer buffer, and if we continue to add acid, then the pH would drop and it would stay much lower than it is now. You can see it's rebounded again. Looks like we have enough to make another addition here. Zoom in just a little to show this. Again, one more time. And so living organisms have the ability to buffer as well. They have the ability to resist changes in pH due to what's happening internally. The excess production of hydrogen ions or hydroxide ions, or something in the systems that produce those, can be absorbed, because if the pH changes very much for a cell, ultimately it means it would be the death of the cell and of the organism.